there, smart buyers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we help you make smart purchasing decisions without losing your sanity. Today, we're diving into the world of 3D printers, comparing the Sovol SV06 and the AnkerMake M5C. Buckle up, because this is going to be a wild ride. First up, let's talk about the thing that makes your wallet cry, the price. The Sovol SV06 comes in at a budget-friendly $249. That's right, folks, you can get a 3D printer for less than your monthly coffee budget. Now, the AnkerMake M5C, on the other hand, is a bit more of a high roller at $399. It's like comparing a frugal college student to a tech-savvy entrepreneur. So if you're pinching pennies, Sovol might be your new best friend. Now, let's talk speed. The Sovol SV06 can crank up its print speed to 150 millimeters per second with a firmware update. Not bad, right? But wait, the AnkerMake M5C is like the Usain Bolt of 3D printers, boasting a blazing speed of up to 500 millimeters per second. If you want your prints faster than your microwave popcorn, AnkerMake's got your back. Reviewers love the AnkerMake for its speed and efficiency, though some noted it can be a bit noisy. Sovol users appreciate the decent speed for the price, even if it's not the fastest on the market. When it comes to precision, the Sovol SV06 has a solid performance with its planetary dual-gear direct drive and 25-point auto-leveling. It's like having a personal butler making sure everything is just right. But AnkerMake M5C takes it up a notch with its ultra-direct extruder and a precision mode that can go down to 50 micrometers. That's finer than your grandma's lace tablecloth. Reviewers are impressed with the Sovol's print quality and ease of use, though some had minor issues with part placement. AnkerMake users rave about the precision and high-quality prints, making it ideal for intricate projects. Both printers can handle high temperatures like a champ. The Sovol SV06 can print up to 300 degrees Celsius, which means the AnkerMake M5C also hits that 300 degrees Celsius mark, but it does it with a swagger, handling a wider range of filaments, including carbon fiber. It's like Sovol is showing up to a party in a nice suit, while AnkerMake arrives in a custom-tailored tuxedo. Users appreciate Sovol's temperature range for its versatility, while AnkerMake users love the added filament options. Let's not forget about user-friendliness. The Sovol SV06 has a modular design, making assembly a breeze in just 5 steps. It's like IKEA furniture. If IKEA gave you a 3D printer instead of a wobbly bookshelf. AnkerMake M5C, however, takes user-friendliness to the next level with Wi-Fi and Bluetooth connectivity, allowing you to control and monitor your prints from anywhere. It's basically the smart home device you didn't know you needed. Reviewers find the Sovol easy to assemble and use, though some noted a few quirks. AnkerMake users love the connectivity features and ease of setup, despite occasional app bugs. Both printers come with PEI build plates, but let's break it down. Sovol's PEI-coated build plate makes removing prints as easy as peeling a banana. AnkerMake's PEI flexible magnetic plate, on the other hand, is like having a magic carpet for your prints. Just lift and go. No tools needed. It's the small luxuries that count, right? Users appreciate Sovol's easy print removal, while AnkerMake's magnetic plate is a hit for its convenience. And finally, customer support. Sovol offers a 1-year warranty and lifetime technical support. They're like that friend who's always there when you need to vent about your latest DIY disaster. AnkerMake doesn't specify here, but with their premium pricing, you'd hope for a concierge service, right? Maybe a personal, 3D printing therapist? One can dream. Sovol users appreciate the lifetime support despite occasional hiccups, while AnkerMake users generally feel supported but expect high service levels given the price. Overall, reviewers find the Sovol SV06 to be a budget-friendly, reliable option with good print quality and ease of use. However, some users have noted minor issues with part placement and customer support. On the other hand, the AnkerMake M5C impresses users with its high speed, precision, and smart features, though it comes at a higher price point and occasional app bugs. Both printers have their strengths, making them suitable for different needs and budgets. So, there you have it. The Sovol SV06 is your budget-friendly, reliable workhorse, while the AnkerMake M5C is the high-speed, high-precision beast for those who want the best of the best. Which one's your pick? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss another episode of Buy Smart. Until next time, happy printing! Product links are in the description.